Hello, friend. Do you want to have a profitable side hustle? Do you want to make some real horror cash? Then keep watching. Today, we're going to watch a video I made about PLR sales, and this is a really important video. So please keep watching, and I'll be right back after the video to give you my thoughts and everything. So let's watch now.
How to overcome the barrier to sell more PLR products. Your job if you are selling PLR products is to convince people who land on your website to make a purchase. You already have the product and you may even have purchased marketing materials along with it to convince people to visit your page. From here, it is up to you to seal the deal by getting people to buy, and that means you need a page that converts. Partly this is down to the sales script, but on top of that, it is also down to the way that you have presented the sales page and what it conveys. Most importantly, it's down to your ability to overcome the barriers to sale, the points of resistance that we all meet when considering making any purchase. Here are some tips that can help you to break through those barriers in your customers' minds. Trust. One of the big challenges you face as a seller is getting your buyer to trust you. They need to believe that when they make a purchase from you, they will get their product and you won't just run off into the sunset with their money. Likewise, they need to trust that the product is good and that the checkout system you are using works. This starts with the legwork you do long before you try to secure a sale. Having a high-quality blog and building a relationship with your audience will allow you to gain their trust and demonstrate the kind of value you can offer. Another important tip is to use a recognized payment processor. The one we most often recommend for this is PayPal, which is something that everyone has at least heard of. Finally, always make sure you are offering a full money-back guarantee if they don't like it. By removing the risk this way, you'll find more people buy from you. Only very few will actually use the guarantee, but the money you gain will far outweigh the money you lose. Ease. Another consideration is the ease with which your visitors can buy. Most people buy based on an impulse rather than a logical consideration, and if they have to spend a lot of time fiddling with payment details, then you may lose that advantage. This is another reason to use a simple payment method like PayPal. Better yet, sell them something cheap and small first before you push bigger items. This will help you to demonstrate you're trustworthy and save their payment details for later.
All right, friends, so that was a great video, and it was talking about how to get more PLR sales. I actually got PLR for sale right here. It's a book called Viral Traffic Blast. It's all about getting viral traffic to your offers. And they say that traffic is the lifeblood of an internet marketing business, that you need traffic and an offer. So this is my offer. You can get it for $10. It's an ebook. You get PLR rights to it, so you can re-edit it, and you can make yourself the author and put your picture in it and stuff. You can put affiliate links in the book, and that way people can click on them and you can make more money. And I'm selling it on Gumroad, which is kind of a new payment processor. I think they've been around for a while, but they're just getting more popular now. But you can pay with PayPal when you pay, and so like the video was saying, a lot of people trust PayPal a lot more. So anyways, click the link in the description below this video to check out the sales page for the PLR I'm offering for sale. And I love PLR. It's one of the few things I buy regularly. I don't really buy push button softwares anymore that are like In 3 easy steps, you can make $1,693 and all of that stuff. I don't really buy that stuff anymore. I just mostly buy PLR because I know it's easy to repackage and then I can put it on my membership and stuff. So anyways, click the link in the description and please comment, thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and share because sharing is caring. And thanks so much.